you have a product you want to promote. The next thing to do is to pull people to that product through different channels. In this video, I'm going to share 3 of those channels where you don't have to spend money driving people to your product. Now, before I share those channels, the first thing you need is a product or service. You need to have a product or service that you want to promote. Affiliate marketing is about getting a commission for giving value that doesn't belong to you. So you're getting paid for giving value even if you're not the creator of that value. The most important thing here is that you are exchanging value. My name is Charles and I help people and businesses grow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video, and ask questions. If you don't understand anything about affiliate marketing, just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. Now, you need to give out value for this to work. What value are you giving out? It could be a product or it could be a service. Now, I'm going to be using a product from one of the top affiliate platforms in Nigeria, which is Branions. We are going to go to branions.com. The next thing you have to do is to sign up. You can see here that you have to pay 25,000 Naira to get started, to get access to Branions, but don't sign up this way. I'm going to share a special link that you can get started for just 10,000 Naira, which is about or over 60% off. So I'm going to drop the link in the description. Now, the next thing to do is to have a product. We are going to select the B33 program. Now, it makes sense to promote this product because as an affiliate, I want to get something else apart from a commission. The question I ask myself is, what else can I get from an affiliate program apart from commission, community, reward, or something else? What can I get? So like I said, I'm going to promote the B33 program, and the great thing about the B33 program is that they reward you when you get results. So let's go to the home page. You can see here that they said our B33 program was crafted to help you start an online business selling digital products. We teach you how to sell, show you where to sell, who to sell to, and reward you when you get results. All you have to do is just to take action, follow the steps, and get rewarded for every step you complete. So if you complete a step, they are going to reward you. So they are paying you a commission and they're also rewarding you for taking that step to encourage you to keep doing what you're doing, to keep doing the right thing. Now, so if you scroll down here, you can see here are the rewards that we've packaged for you. So step 1, if you make your first sale, be rewarded with the Branions t-shirts, and when you make your 6 figures, your first 6 figures, they're going to reward you with a gift card of your choice. And then step 3, when you make your first 7 figures, that's 1 million, they're going to reward you with a laptop. And step 4, if you make your first 5 million Naira, they're going to reward you with camera, microphone, and ring light. And step 5, when you make your first 10 million, when you make your 10 million Naira, they're going to reward you with a car of your choice. I think there should be like grade of cars anyway. And then step 6, when you make 50 million, they reward you to, with a trip to Zanzibar, Marrakesh, or Accra. Now, all these things, I think they are all combined. It's not like you're going to win one or one person is going to get this. As far as you get this step, you get this. When you get to the next step, you get this. When you get to this other step, you get this. I say this is amazing. This is a good encouragement, and it's going to encourage people to to sign up and to do something, because a lot of people are lazy. They don't want to put in the work. But with things like this, people would want to put in the work to to learn this digital skill and start selling digital product, or start any online business, or start an online business. Now, we are going to promote this program. We are going to promote the B33 program. What you are going to do is we are going to log in my Inner Circle membership here, and I'm going to go to the download section of the platform, and I'm going to scroll down and copy this link. I'm going to copy this link to the webinar page. So this link or this webinar promotes the B33 program. So I can just copy this link if I want to promote the B33 program and then promote it. Then copy this link, and then I'm going to go back to the affiliate session. I think they have a lot of courses here, but we're not going to look into that. So if I want to create a custom link, I can copy that webinar link now to create a custom link there. I'll paste the webinar link and create my unique affiliate link. So I'll create custom link, click on create custom link. Once I click on this, then you can see that custom link has already been created here. And so all I have to do is just to copy this link and then promote this webinar link. So once you've created your unique link for the webinar, you can use this webinar link and promote the link. You can either, create a sales page and send people to that sales page or that funnel, or maybe you just create an opt-in page, and from the opt-in page, you send them to this webinar link that is here. And then once they make a sale, you get 50% commission after, they buy that product. Now, if you've watched this webinar, or if you don't want to use this webinar page, if you want to create your own webinar, your own sales page, your own funnel, and you don't want to use this, what you have to do is to go to the register page, copy this register link, and then go back to the custom link generator and then create a custom link for the register page. Create the custom link. Once it is created, you can now copy the link and use it on your funnel. Copy this link after you've generated the custom affiliate link. Copy it. You can see it here. It will be like register/ref/ your username. Copy it and use it on your funnel, your sales page, so that, after your visitor goes to your sales page or your funnel and then they click a button, whatever, maybe buy now or get access, it's going to take them directly to this page, and the system will know that it's coming from you. Whenever they make a purchase or buy the membership, you're going to get 50% commission. So like I said, if you choose to create your own funnel, you just have to generate an affiliate link to the register page and then use it on your funnel or your sales page. Now, we are sure about the product that we have. The next thing is the channels to pull people to our product. The first channel is WhatsApp. I say this to my students, you need to have different WhatsApp for your affiliate marketing business. This would help you segment your audience. It would help you segment the people you pull from your funnel. If someone doesn't buy your offer at first, you can always get the person to buy your product if you have them on WhatsApp. You can always sell to them again and again and again. A lead is never lost. You can always sell another product to them. There are people that are just watching you. They'll be watching you for months to develop that trust before buying from you. So the first channel is your WhatsApp, not even email. A lot of people these days don't read email. They don't go to their email and they don't take emails seriously. So try as much as you can to get their WhatsApp number, and then you can get more sales from your WhatsApp. Now, the next channel is Facebook. There are Facebook groups out there. There are a lot of Facebook groups that you can get leads from. You can pull people from there to your products. The question you should ask yourself is, where are my audience? Which group do they belong to? Now, look at the product you're promoting and think about the people that need it. To do this properly, put yourself in the shoes of the person that need that product. If you need that product, which group would you join on Facebook? Maybe which group would you join to learn more or to get more information about that product that you need? So think about it. Once you've answered that, you would have a list of groups that you can join to promote your product. Now, the next channel is online forum. There are a lot of online forums that people overlook. Don't overlook them. Some online forums have huge traffic, and one of them is Nairaland. You might say, oh, Nairaland is old, it's outdated, but it surprises you that people there are looking for that product you want to sell. Now, you don't want to go there and start posting links or go to online forums and start posting links. You need to add value. That is the number one thing. Add value. What value can you offer before you start talking about, selling your product or sharing links or telling this person, okay, this product will do this, buy this product or something. You need to add value in a certain way before you try to sell your product and all that. All right, let me go back and point out 3 important things you need to start affiliate marketing. Number 1, you need a product or service, something that you can sell and make money from it. That product should fall on the top 3 niches. I've talked about that in another video. You can watch it. The next thing is funnel. You need a funnel to drive people into your offer. And then the final thing is your channels, which I've explained in this video. I'm going to leave some important links in the description. Check them out. If you have any questions, just put it in the comment section below and I'm going to answer you. Subscribe if you haven't. There are a lot of helpful videos in this channel. Also hit the like button and share this video to someone that you like. I'm going to see you in this video.